dividing a number by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if you half it again, and the result is an even number. Okay, this is very close to the test for 6. For that of 6, you half it and it's an even number, then it's divisible by 6. But this one, you half it and half it again, and it's an even number, then it is divisible by 8. Or if the number grows very large, then observe the last 3 digits. If it creates multiple of 8, then it means it's divisible by 8 as well. So if I give you 2, 1, 5, 2, and this last 3 digits is multiple of 8, then the whole of this number will be that. But then how can you be very sure? Because the last 3 digits is a huge number. So you can then use this particular, the first one, to test it. Half it again. If the results still remain even, then it is a multiple of or divisible by 8. That is how we test for this. If I have a number like 56 and I want to be very sure whether 56 is divisible by 8, I will just have this number. When I half it, I'm going to have 50, half 25, then 23. So 3, which will be 28. It means halving the first 56, I'll get 28. When I have 28, I have 14, and 14 is an even number. Okay, so it means that 56 is divisible by 8. That is the trick. I mean, that is what you have to do in order to know whether a number is divisible by 8. Now, how do we divide a number by 8 without struggling or without using pen and paper or calculator? Mentally, how do you do it? Now, if I have like 56 divided by 8, what will be the result? What I have to do quickly is that I'll have 58, which I have 56, and that'll give me 28. Then when I have 28 again, I'm going to have 14. Okay, so it means the first half, second half, then the third half of the 14, I have 7. And that will be the result. What it means that I have it and I half it again. Okay, then I half it again. So I have to do the half 3 times. If I do it 2 times, it works for 6. But if I do it 3 times, it works for, if I do it 2 times, it works for 4. And if I do it 3 times, it works for 8. You get it? Let's say, for example, I have 72. If I have 72, I have 36. If I have 36, I have 18. You get it? So I've done how many halves? 1, 2. Then I have to do the third one, which I have 9. So it means that 72 divided by 8, the result should give me 9. That is what it means. I mean, that is a trick for dividing so quickly by 8. Now, what is 96 divided by 8? Can you pause the video and give yourself an answer? You have again mentally. So if I have 96, I'm going to get something like 45 plus 3, right? So that would be 48. If I have 48, this one is very obvious and so quick. I have 24. Then I have 24 again. Then I have 12. And so 96 divided by 8 will be 12. And that is the result. Can you try for 112 divided by 8? Okay, so let's have 112. 100 will give us 50, 12 will give us 6. So yeah, 56 will be the first half. Then we half it again. 50 will give us 25, this will give us 3, so 28. Then we half it again. 20 will give us 10. This will give us 4. So we have 14. Which means that the third half is giving us 14, means that 112 divided by 8 will give us 14. Now try the following to see whether you can do it on your own. Pause the video and try to divide the following numbers by 8 without using pen and paper or calculator. And remember, the more you practice, the better your chance of overcoming mental math, and you sharpen your brain as well. That's why I love mental mathematics. There's a whole lot of advantages.